So I was wondering, I was wondering, what do you think is the best Muslim country to live in these days? With, I heard that apparently, there's countries are like the Muslim countries are drastically changing and all that, and they become more and more westernized. So I was wondering, is there, any specific country you think is actually the closest to the Sharia?
This is not a one size that fits all. Countries differ in what you practice, in what you feel that you're able to do. In my point of view, the best of Islamic countries to live in is Saudi Arabia. Nothing beats being between Mecca and Jeddah. Regardless of what changes there might occur, we still have, alhamdulillah, Islam and Shariah and Tahfidh al-Quran, and people pray in the masjids without any restrictions, and we have scholars giving lectures and the like. So among all the countries, this is the best. Now, when it comes to other aspects where people would think that migrating to a Muslim country is required, such as the infrastructure, the technology, the ease of transportation to other countries, etc. This depends from one person to the other, and Allah Azza wa Jalla knows best.